Matty Harris is set to go down against Franklin Ignatius. This fight is super hard to call if you're asking me. Both fighters have a very similar record, and Matty Harris is looking for a knockout. We've seen what he did against Amimbu Dengabe. He destroyed Volodymyr Kotsik, Yuri Bukatsu, lost to Konstantin Dobishchenko. But on the other side, Franklin Ignatius has good counters, and he's so strong. 6'3" lad. He outsmarted Lamar Griggs, Ryan LeBurn, Phil Williams, lost to Jamie Chikeva, and outsmarted majority of other guys, but his counters are extremely dangerous. Matty will go aggressively, but Franklin could slow the fight down. No, he is a guy who likes to play technical, and I'm having a feeling over 6.5 might be a good call. I believe Franklin has what it takes to win this fight if it advances into deep waters. Let's see.